Welcome to day 7 of our 100 days of Excel challenge. Today we are moving forward from numbers and tables and try to create some basic charts in Excel. Well, charts, they are very important. They make the visualization super easy, and trust me, they will take your presentations to the next level. Let's dive into it. Alright, we have got one data set here so that we can make different charts out of this. So what is the use of making different charts when in the last video we have seen that how we can make the table so useful for us to understand the data in a clear manner, to analyze the data. So the thing is the table will be there for the whole table, and we will have to follow each column and each row to understand it in a deep manner. But having the use of charts, let us take control over specific columns or specific rows which we want to make the analysis of. For example, when I only want to study the salaries of different people in the company, I can use charts, which will be more helpful here than any table. So let's start making some basic charts here. I want to study the different salaries of people who are there in this company. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select name and salary column, and then go to insert tab, and under the section of charts we have got so many options here. Let's go with the basic column chart. Here I have got a simple column chart for people with their salaries, and it's easy for me to see who has got a higher salary and who is having the lowest of all. So the table in the last video we have seen salaries and people also, but there we had different bar charts in the whole table itself, which was easy. But here, having a special chart just for the salaries and people makes it even more meaningful and easy to understand. Let's see which department has got the higher salaries. So here we will select the department and salary column, and we have this quick analytics table. You remember the option. Simply we can go here and go for a pie chart. Okay, let's use this. Alright, so having, again I'm going to make it gray. I've added the data labels here to see which department has got what salary. So the color code helps us to identify which department has what salary. So here the light green color shows marketing, so it's 55,000. Let's go for another type of chart, which is a line chart. Now line charts goes really well if you have a trending data, if you have date, time, or anything that shows some trend, then you should always go with the line chart. Here we have something like date as well as the performance rating. Okay, so let's try if we can make a good line chart using these two columns. As we can see, different dates have got different rating. The dates start basically from 2018 and goes until 2023 here. So Excel has automatically put the dates and months into it. Let's try creating a bar chart for the department and the projects that each department has completed. Here we have got the data, and having a look at the data we can see that IT department has completed the highest number of projects, whereas the operations have only completed 5 projects. So in this way we have got different charts to explain the data, salary of each person, salary according to the department, performance rating, and the projects which are completed. We can also create some more charts like the age group or the salary and the age group and the performance rating. And that's how charts make it so much easier to tell the story of your data or communicate the insights of your data effectively. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video was helpful for you. Follow for next video. Thank you.